In this video, we'll take a look at the Lenco LBT-345WA turntable and help you decide if it's the perfect entry-level turntable for you. We'll go over all its design and features, how to set it up, and compare it to a few other great options so you can make an informed decision. Now, vinyl has been making a huge comeback over the past few years. Whether it's the warmer, more natural sound or the satisfying experience of physically handling records, there's just something special about it. But if you're new to turntables, you might be wondering where to start. Well, the truth is, a good turntable doesn't have to cost a fortune. The Lenco LBT-345WA is a fantastic entry-level option that balances affordability, quality, and modern features like Bluetooth. It's designed for beginners, but still delivers great sound, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking into diving into the world of vinyl without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly turntable, Lenco does offer a variety of other models at lower price points with different features for people with different needs. I'll link all of them down below if you want to take a look. As you look through that lineup, you'll notice some of them come with a pair of speakers, some offer built-in speakers, and some are even direct drive units with pitch control for DJs. And while these other models are great to get started with, it's important to remember that you get what you pay for. Investing in a better turntable ensures you're getting a unit with better components that won't harm your records and will provide some great sound for years to come. Still, any of these options from Lenco will beat that record player in a briefcase, so no matter what you choose, you're gonna get a great choice from Lenco at much lower prices. Now, before we dive into the details of this Lenco turntable, if you are new to this hobby or you just wanna understand the different components that we're gonna be talking about a little bit better that make up a great record player, we recommend checking out our Turntable Buyer's Guide. This guide breaks down every single thing that you need to know about tone arms, cartridges, platters, and so much more so you can make an informed buying decision. Now, I'm gonna link that down below, but let's get started and talk about this Lenco LBT-345WA. Right out of the box, this turntable makes a great first impression. The walnut wood veneer finish gives it a premium look, making it an attractive addition to any setup. But it's not just about appearances. Lenco put real thought into the components to ensure solid performance as well. We immediately noticed it features a carbon fiber tone arm, which is actually a little bit rare in turntables at this price point. Carbon fiber is lightweight yet rigid, reducing unwanted vibrations that can affect the sound quality. It also comes fitted with the Ortofon 2M Red cartridge, which is a highly respected and award-winning cartridge that delivers detailed, balanced sound. Many entry-level turntables just come with basic cartridges that are just okay, but the 2M Red is a major upgrade, offering a more refined and dynamic listening experience, and we're really happy to see it on a turntable at this price point. Now, underneath the platter, there is a belt attached to the motor that spins the platter around, and it's actually really easy to set up. You just stretch it over the motor and you're good to go. This means that it's a belt drive turntable. Many enthusiasts believe belt drive turntables sound better than direct drive turntables when you are in this price range, but ultimately, it usually comes down to what you're using it for and your preference. We typically recommend that if you're using your turntable to listen to music only, you should go with a belt drive option. But there are also some really great direct drive options as well, so this isn't always a strict rule. If you want to learn more about direct drive and belt drive turntables and compare them back and forth, we've broken it all down in a video that I'll link down below. This table is also fully manual, meaning you'll need to move the tone arm over the record yourself, lower it down to start, and then pick it back up to stop the playback. This requires a little bit more hands-on operation than a fully automatic turntable that does it all for you, but again, many vinyl enthusiasts actually prefer this approach since it keeps the design simple and super reliable. Now, there's also two speed options on this, supporting both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records, so you can play a wide range of vinyl from standard LPs to singles. The aluminum platter ensures smooth, stable rotation, and Lenco includes a felt mat to help reduce static and resonance for a cleaner sound. Now, another great feature here that I want to mention is the removable head shell, which makes it easier to swap out or upgrade your cartridge down the road. For beginners, this is actually a fantastic feature because it allows you to improve your sound quality over time without needing to replace the entire turntable. If you're interested in this, you can always reach out to our experts for advice on what cartridge would be a great upgrade and fit for you. Plus, we even have a detailed video showing you how you can replace the cartridge on your own. I'll link that down below. Now, to further enhance playback performance, the LBT-345WA turntable also includes an adjustable anti-skate feature. This helps keep the stylus centered in the groove, preventing distortion and excessive wear on your records. Lenco also includes a chrome-plated record stabilizer, or also known as a record weight, which helps keep the record firmly in place and minimizes unwanted resonance. Now, one of the biggest advantages of this LBT-345WA is that it blends classic vinyl playback with modern technology. It features Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, which allows you to stream your records wirelessly right to Bluetooth speakers or even Bluetooth headphones. This is a huge plus for anyone who wants to enjoy vinyl without dealing with a wired setup. However, I do want to note here, if you're using Bluetooth with this turntable or any other turntable, you're no longer getting that fully analog experience. You're lowering the quality by sending it wirelessly to your speakers, and you're gonna lose some of that vinyl sound that so many people love when it's not connected to your speakers with some cables. So to really extract the most from your turntable, we recommend using cables to connect your table to the speakers if possible. But if that's not possible, or you just want to use a pair of Bluetooth headphones or speakers that are, say, maybe further away from your turntable, Bluetooth is a great option. At the end of the day, if the Bluetooth feature makes it easier for you to listen to your record collection, then there's no judgment from us, go for it. Another feature that we were happy to see is the built-in phono preamp. This means you can plug the turntable directly into powered speakers or an amplifier without needing a separate phono preamp. So setting up the LBT-345WA from Lenco is pretty straightforward, even if you've never used a turntable before. The included manual actually walks you right through the process, and since the tone arm and cartridge come pre-installed, there's really minimal assembly required. Just balance the tone arm, adjust the counterweight, and you're pretty much ready to go. Once you drop the needle, the first thing that you're going to notice is just how smooth and quiet this turntable runs. The platter spins with precision, and the carbon fiber tone arm, it just moves effortlessly into place. The Ortofon 2M Red, it does an excellent job tracking the grooves, delivering a clear, dynamic sound that really brings out the best in your records. There's just a warmth and a depth to the playback that digital formats just don't capture in the same way that a turntable like this can do. We put a few test records on this turntable and paired it up with a few different speakers to test it out. We connected it to some powered speakers, then we tried an amplifier, and we even tried the Bluetooth feature. Now, when I compared the physical connection to the Bluetooth connection, I instantly heard the difference in quality, and I'm sure you will too. We even then tried an upgraded external phono stage, and I loved the way that it improved the sound. We were fairly impressed though with what you get right out of the box with this turntable, and it's nice to know that you can make some fairly inexpensive upgrades right down the road to bring the sound to the next level. Now, while this LBT-345WA is a fantastic option for starting out with a turntable, there are other turntables on the market that might suit your needs better depending on what you're looking for. Now, we recently reviewed the Project T1 Phono BT, which is another Bluetooth turntable with a manual belt drive system offering a sleek design and high quality sound. It features an integrated phono preamp like the Lenco, but comes with a lower model cartridge, the Ortofon OM5E, rather than the Ortofon 2M Red. But still, you might want to check that one out. Another solid competitor is the U-Turn Audio Orbit 2 Plus. This turntable has a simple, minimalistic design and a high-performance acrylic platter. While it doesn't have Bluetooth, it's a fantastic option for those who want that pure analog performance at a really great price. Plus, it comes in 7 different fun colors. But ultimately, all 3 of these turntables are great choices, and we have a lot more options on our website that you can browse and talk to our experts to see which one might be the best for you. I have all our reviews linked down below. Now, one more thing I want to mention here is that no matter which turntable you choose, whether it's this one from Lenco or a different brand, keeping your records clean is crucial for the best sound quality. So I want to bring up this Lenco TTA 12-in-1 Pro, which is a great cleaning kit that includes everything you need to keep your vinyl and stylus in top shape. A good cleaning routine will help extend the life of both your records and your turntable, ensuring you get the best sound possible for many years to come. This kit is really just great for the price, no matter what turntable you have, and it includes an anti-static brush for record cleaning, a stylus cleaning brush, an electronic tracking force gauge making cartridge setup simple, an alignment protractor to help if you change out the cartridge, plus an azimuth and VTA protractor for even finer tuning. You even get 4 small and 1 large spirit level and a lot of tools and accessories. We'd really recommend this kit to just about anyone with a turntable because you just get so much for the money. Now, Lenco really did a great job with this LBT-345WA, balancing great sound, quality components, and modern features in a way that makes vinyl more accessible to everyone. The carbon fiber tone arm, Ortofon 2M red cartridge, and aluminum platter make it a serious contender in the entry-level turntable space, while Bluetooth and USB connectivity offer modern convenience that many listeners are just gonna really appreciate. So if you've been thinking about getting into vinyl, you should check out this 345WA as it's a great way to start. It's easy to use, again, it sounds fantastic, and it offers just the right mix of analog charm with modern features. You can order yours at the link in the description or check it out at audioadvice.com, which will help support our channel. We also offer free shipping, lifetime expert support, and a price guarantee. If you're still unsure, feel free to call or chat with our experts or just stop by any of our award-winning showrooms and we'd be happy to help you out. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.